All right, we are back with another Anker video today. And again, I like starting these out letting you know we are not sponsored by Anker. I spent my hard-earned money on this, so these thoughts are all my own. These opinions are my own. And I want to do this so you guys know if this is a worthy update. This is Anker's latest slim power bank. There was a lot of debate, and we actually did a video on last year's model that claimed it was Qi 2 compatible to get 15 watts of charging. That wasn't the case. It was proven right in the app that it was definitely not pulling in that heavy of a charge or that fast of a charge. That's rumored to be fixed here. Anker's been around a long time. We love their stuff. I hope this does it. Not only should this be Qi 2 compatible now again this year, but it is much slimmer even than ever before. So as you can see, like I said, 5,000 milliamps, 15 watt MagSafe compatibility, dual NTC cooling system. Long story short, fast charging, slim size, and cool to the touch. So nothing much again on the packaging. Let's just go ahead and rip right into it. There's a couple little pull tabs here. All right, so this does come in a couple of different colors. This is white. Whoa, okay. That is actually shockingly smaller than what I thought. Aside from that, looks like you're going to get a braided cable, non-braided cable. So with the other charger, we do get some other braided cables. This one did not come with one. It is simply a USB-C to USB-C cable. Some reading material, safety sheet. I mean, there's not much to that. We don't need it. Let's get to the star of the show right here. Okay, here it is. Wow. The little silver accents around the side really makes this look very nice. Guys, I'm really shocked at how light and nice this looks. I didn't expect it to be this thin. You do have your little power button right there, LED indicator right on the bottom, USB-C port, and that's it, obviously. So you can see it does say Qi 2 wireless power IQ. So all you're going to do is stick it on it, and you can see we are charging. But wow, I have to say, it really is non-intrusive. I'll throw those affiliate links up down below. I definitely appreciate it if you use them to pick one of these up. I'm actually shocked. And look, you can see it is charging 29 minutes to 80% from 58. That sounds about right for a Qi 2 charger. So definitely a good sign that it is working as it should. Great grip. Wow. I am very impressed. I know I've said this before, but I'm shocked. So aside from this, what do you guys think? Is this going to be one of the best options out there? Just to give you a little size comparison, let me grab some other options I have right now, including some of the other slim ones and thicker ones offered. So this is the basis charger that I thought was the thinnest before. You can see it's just the way it's curved, it looks even thinner than that. That is another basis right here, but that's a 10,000 milliamp. And then last year's Anker Slim, and it just blows that away. I just think this looks so much nicer. And then if you really want to get into the heavier duty, this is a 10K, but yeah, can't compare that. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments, what do you think, and are you going to pick one up? Very curious to see how much of a charge you get from 0 to 100%, how much it can refill a Pro Max, or even maybe just our 16E. We got to see. But that's it for now. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.